don't know that song. Oh. Nice. That was cool. Did you hear it? Ooh, I like that. Oh, I've had a rough day with that. Should we add some music to it? Once again. Kayla? I can't do it now. That is it. What? If you think I'm the famous one that has more of the burps than that, comment for that and call me by my name, Megan. And Michaela. I did good too. Not the face. Alright. Bye. Bye.